Hey, have you seen the new social media campaign by that clothing brand?
Yeah, the one with the interactive videos? It's all over my feed. What do you think?
I think it's smart. They're engaging their audience really well.
Definitely. And did you notice how they're using different platforms for a specific content? It's pretty strategic.
True, they've got tailored content for each platform. It's like they know their audience inside out.
That's the key to effective social media marketing, right? Understanding your audience and giving them what they want.
Absolutely. And it's not just about selling. It's about creating a community around the brand.
Totally agree. Brands that connect, rather than just sell, seem to be winning in today's market.
Exactly. It's about building relationships, not just transactions.
We should go to kitchen, I'm hungry.
Let's go to kitchen. What you want to eat?
Let's make pasta together.
Okay, do you remember our conversation that was happening?
Yes. I remember social media is all about the conversation and building that connection.
For sure. It's fascinating how these platforms have changed the whole marketing game.
Definitely. It's exciting to see where it'll go next.
Absolutely. The possibilities seem endless. Let's make pasta.